Welcome to 2822 Memphis Street. An amazing Fishtown, Port Fishington renovation of 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath. There's an amazing open floor plan as you continue through the dining room into the kitchen. There's a breakfast bar, which is very convenient, and continue this gorgeous, really beautiful white kitchen. Look at this amazing tile here, really, really attractive, very nice. And one thing we all appreciate, plenty of storage. The very cool steps are lit, which is a nice touch. The whole south side of the house has exposed brick, which I think is very cool. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs and a full bath right there. I like this one for an office. I get a lot of work done in here, but let's check out the master. All of the bedrooms have ceiling fans. The master has speakers in the ceiling. There are hardwood floors here. This is a beautiful renovation. Adjustable heights for your bedside lights. That's handy, you don't think of that every day. And the creme de la creme is the finished basement. This is actually my favorite bathroom in the house. The finishes are very cool, very on trend. I think I'm gonna take a shower.